AutoCAD LT, at this present time, does not natively support photometric calculations or rendering functionalities. While there exist numerous third-party software solutions and add-ons designed for rendering purposes that are compatible with AutoCAD, it is important to understand that their primary focus is on visualization rather than precise photometric analysis. These packages are generally geared toward creating aesthetically pleasing renderings for presentations and design reviews, rather than providing accurate data for lighting design and performance evaluation. If accurate photometric calculations are crucial for your workflow, you will need to explore alternative strategies. One option is to investigate specialized photometric software packages that are specifically designed for lighting design and analysis. These programs typically incorporate industry-standard calculation methods and allow you to import your AutoCAD drawings as a basis for your lighting simulations. Another approach is to consider upgrading to a full version of AutoCAD, which may offer more advanced rendering and analysis capabilities or support for third-party add-ins that provide photometric functionality. Keep in mind that effectively using any photometric software requires a strong understanding of lighting principles, including illuminance, luminance, candela distribution, and other relevant metrics. Take the time to familiarize yourself with these concepts to ensure you can accurately interpret the results of your simulations and make informed design decisions. When selecting a photometric software package, consider the types of calculations you need to perform, the level of accuracy required, the ease of use of the software, and its compatibility with your existing workflow. Some software packages offer advanced features such as daylighting analysis, energy performance calculations, and the ability to generate detailed lighting reports. Consider consulting with lighting professionals or conducting thorough research to determine the most appropriate software solution for your specific needs. Furthermore, it is crucial to ensure that the photometric data used in your calculations is accurate and reliable. Obtain photometric data from reputable manufacturers and verify that the data is consistent with industry standards. Be cautious of using generic or unverified photometric data, as this can lead to inaccurate results and potentially compromise the effectiveness of your lighting design. Remember that photometric calculations are an important tool for ensuring that your lighting designs meet the required performance criteria, such as illuminance levels, uniformity ratios, and glare control. By carefully selecting the right software and using accurate data, you can create lighting designs that are both aesthetically pleasing and functionally effective. Remember to check the software requirements to match your computer and operating system to allow for best operation. If you choose to upgrade AutoCAD, be sure to review and confirm any license changes, as they could incur higher fees. Also consider online tutorials and training, or a person with in-depth knowledge that can offer one-on-one training, since it could be beneficial in streamlining the learning curve. If you require high-end calculation and rendering, it may be required to acquire powerful computer hardware that includes, but is not limited to, central processing unit, random access memory, and graphic processing unit. These factors all play a role in the speed in which it will take for the software to render. If you have further questions, you may want to contact Autodesk, the maker of AutoCAD, for further assistance in which route is best for your situation.